Welcome to DC Style Fylez DIY Fashion Runway. I'm DC, a stylist, fashionista and fashion blogger. I'm also host of the DC Style Fylez, a video fashion blog that solves viewer fashion dilemmas. All the looks you see come down the runway today were designed to solve a fashion dilemma posed by a member of the public. The outfits are intended to be a solution to their fashion dilemma. I've used all recycled materials and fabrics in making these looks. I don't have a fashion background, but I've used my DIY skills to come up with these outfits. I'm also joined today by H. Yorks, who's going to be providing the musical soundtrack to the runway. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy the show.
They're going to do the runway. It's all recycled clothes.
Peach is wearing an outfit designed for someone who has literally nothing to wear. One of my viewers told me that they had returned from living overseas without any of their clothes. They asked me for some advice on how to start their wardrobe from scratch again. I made this outfit using items that you might find lying around the house. The skirt is made of 2 bath mats. The top is made using some shopping bags. The visor is made from a table runner. And the footwear is made using yoga mat. A stylish outfit that covers you up. Thanks, Pete. John is wearing an outfit made for different contexts. One of my viewers told me that they quite liked peacocking with their personal style. But while they felt comfortable peacocking in some contexts, they didn't feel so comfortable in others. I made this outfit, it was inspired by the bird, the peacock. The wearer can go between peacocking and not peacocking simply by raising their tail. Thank you, John. Nada is wearing an outfit made of second-hand clothes that may have once been worn by a dad. One of my viewers, who is a teenager, asked me if I had any suggestions on how to turn their dad's unfashionable clothes into something more fashionable. I took a pair of business trousers and I made this bolero jacket with ruched sleeves. I took a business jacket and I made this sculptural pair of skirts, turning dad business wear into something much more stylish. Thanks, Nada. Sarah is wearing an outfit that is both stylish and practical. One of my viewers told me that they had lots of fancy dresses, but nothing that was appropriate for sitting on the ground at picnics or for bike riding. They needed a summer solution. I also had 3 fancy dresses, and I took them apart and created this play suit. I created 2 pant legs so that the wearer would feel comfortable sitting on the ground at picnics and when bike riding, but I left some of the more stylish features of the fancy dresses, such as the puffy sleeves. Thanks, Sarah.
Thanks, Sarah. Yeah.
Cesar is wearing an outfit designed to be worn on a motorcycle. Cesar contacted me through my blog and asked me if I had any advice on stylish motorcycle wear. The most important thing to know about motorcycle fashion is that you need to wear lots of patches. So I made all these patches and attached them to this leather jacket. I also made this DIY leather helmet with visor because safety is another important feature of motorcycle fashion. Thank you, Cesar.
Oh yeah!
Amanda is wearing an outfit that is a cocktail dress for someone who is socially anxious. One of my viewers told me that they wanted to go out to cocktail parties, but they often felt anxious in social situations. So as a response to their dilemma, I made this outfit a beautiful cocktail dress and mask. The hood can be worn in multiple ways, depending on how confident the wearer feels at any given point in time. Thanks, Amanda.
Clap, clap, clap. Roman clap.
Thank you, models. Thanks also to 8 Yorks for providing the musical accompaniment to this runway. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you at the next runway.